What's up, guys? My name is Nikki, and I'm here to help you get those tank top arms. I have picked 5 workout movements that's going to target each part of your arms. This is going to be a little challenging and exciting workout. All you need is an inclined bench like I have here and a set of dumbbells, all right? So we'll start now. Are you ready? I am excited. I hope you guys are as well. So we'll move with our first movement, but remember, each movement we're going to do for 45 seconds each with a rest of 15 seconds in between, all right? The first one that we're going to do is called a dumbbell incline press. Like I said, we need an inclined bench. Now, take both your dumbbells. I'm going to use a pair of 5 kg dumbbells. Now, lie on your bench. Now remember to protract your shoulders. Means keep your shoulders activated, chest out. All right, protract your shoulders. Take your dumbbells out, and remember to arch your back a little bit. All right. Now, dumbbells in front. Your glutes resting on your bench. Take it all the way up. Push it all the way up, and bring it down. Now remember not to flare your elbows. Elbows a little closer to your torso, and your wrist should be directly under your elbows. Alright? 45 seconds on the clock. We start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. This is going to target your upper chest, anterior delts, and tricep. And keep going. Breathe out when you're pushing your dumbbells up and down. Full range of motion at the top. Also keep your core engaged, core tight. Keep going, guys. Stay with me. Few more seconds. Little arch on your back. 45 seconds. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Lovely. Okay. Done with the first movement. Moving on to a second movement that's called an Arnold press. I'm going to take my dumbbells up. Now, for this setup for this movement is you can keep your feet shoulder width apart and keep your knees soft, okay? Don't lock your knees, keep your knees soft. Dumbbells in front, wrist in front. From here, you're going to take your dumbbells all the way up and bring it down. Come back to the starting position, all right? Now, remember not to break the movement. This movement is not like this. Don't break it, all right? It has to go in one flow, all right? 45 seconds on the clock. Stay with me, guys. Second movement in 3, 2, 1. Dumbbell straight up, and let's go. This movement is going to target all the 3 deltoid head. That is your posterior, anterior, and medial. Working beautifully on your shoulders. Keep going. If you want to challenge yourself, you can pick up a heavier pair of dumbbells. Take it all the way up. Full range at the top. Breathe out. When your dumbbells are up. My shoulders are burning, guys. But still, stay with me. Few more seconds in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, tired. And done. Alright? Okay, guys, moving on to our third movement that's called high pulls. So keep your feet shoulder width apart, keep your knees soft, dumbbells in front, resting on your thighs. From here, you're going to dip down and lift your dumbbells up, lifting your elbows up as well, all right? We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Dip down, pull up, down, dip. Okay, I'm going to show it from the front. Keep going. This is going to work on your traps, your upper back, your delts. Keep going. And breathe out when you're taking your dumbbells up. Keep going. Dip down and up. No need to rush. Take your time. Few more seconds and done. Okay, take a breather, shake your hands. I know your shoulders are burning, mine is as well. Now moving on to a fourth movement that's called bicep curls. You know it, as the name suggests, it's going to target your biceps, all right? Again, taking my 5 kg dumbbells up. Now, what you have to do is, your wrist will be facing forward. You have to take your dumbbells all the way up and then take it all the way down, all right? Now remember not to flare your elbows. Keep your elbows closer to your torso, but that doesn't mean your elbows touch your torso completely. A little gap should be there, all right? Okay, we start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Dumbbells up, all the way down. Up and down. Now when you bring your dumbbells down, slow and controlled manner, okay? Keep going. Use your bicep to lift your dumbbells up and down, okay? Don't swing your body. People generally tend to do that. They tend to swing their body and take a dumbbell up. Please don't do that. Use your bicep. That's how you activate your bicep. That's how you target your bicep, all right? Keep going. Stay with me. Few more seconds. In 3, 2, 1, relax. Good job. Okay, before we move on to our last movement, I would like to talk to you about our CureFit Live app there, okay? There we have a lot of fun, exciting, quick, easy home workouts, and you can train with a lot of trainers just like me who's gonna help you with your fitness journey, all right? Okay, before any further delay, let's start with our final movement. That's called an overhead tricep extension. We're gonna do 20 seconds on one hand and 20 seconds on the other hand, all right? I'm gonna pick up my 5 kg dumbbell. Now, your hands should be parallel to your ears and close to your ears. From here, you're gonna take your dumbbells down, dip it down towards the center of your head, and then extend up, all right? I'm gonna show you from behind, down, and extend up, okay? 20 seconds on one hand, 20 seconds on the other, remember that, okay? We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, dumbbells up, and let's go. This is gonna target your triceps. Keep going. If you wanna challenge yourself, you can even use a heavier pair of dumbbells, okay? Keep going. Stay with me. Just 20 seconds, guys. Last movement, and let's switch. Moving on to the other hand, dumbbells up in 3, 2, 1, go. You can even keep your hands here and try to control the movement as well. If you feel like it, keep going, stay with me. Few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay guys, there you go. We are done with the workout today. Thank you for sticking up till the end and working out with me. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Do remember to add this to your personal playlist and save it for later so you can come back and do this workout again. Also guys, remember this workout is not just for one round, all right? You have to do this for at least 4 to 5 rounds to get those toned tank top arms, all right? And also remember to do this workout 4 to 5 times for a week, at least for a month, so that you can challenge yourself. You can even use a heavier pair of dumbbells as well, all right? That way you can burn more calories, which will help you to get leaner and stronger, all right? Do leave us a comment and tell us what you thought about this workout. Stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to like this video, share it across with your friends and family, and save this video to your playlist. For more exciting workouts, do subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us, all right? Until next time, guys, please do take care, keep working out, stay healthy. Cheers.